Hey everyone, I thought I'd give you a quick update. So the light up here, it does work. I found what switch it goes to. This random wire that's poking out of the ground, I found where that leads to. It is now disconnected, so the flagpole, I was originally going to take a video of me taking it down, but I thought it was going to be stuck into the ground. Turns out they just had it on a couple clips, and I literally just pulled on the pipe and it just came right off. So it wasn't even in the ground at all. So that was a quick win. So it's just some half-inch galvanized pipe. So I came and I found where all the mystery switches that I couldn't figure out where they originally went go to. So first off, the porch light wasn't working. The most obvious switch for it was this bottom one, and it now works. And it turned out that this, inside this box, they had that line outside tied in with that porch light, and it looked like they had snipped it off, probably because of the wire out there is damaged or shorted or something. So they just snipped it off, and it was just kind of hanging out there. So I disconnected that old line, I pulled it out back into the basement, and reconnected the porch light, so the porch light works. I've been working on cleaning out and getting rid of stuff. I got rid of that couch. I have stuff that I donated. I have stuff that I have listed on Craigslist. This is some stuff that I have on Craigslist. Microwave I haven't tested yet. We're tidying in the kitchen. I gotta get rid of all these fake plants, but most of the cupboards are now cleaned out. Still a few more things left in there. I've turned this room into my tool and material storage area. And of course, very important, my Pepsi stash, because I run on Pepsi. Closet's empty now. I did some temporary wiring repairs. I put a temporary light up here in that box. They both are on the same switch. Back in here is where that wire goes outside. It had gone up and back into that switch box. I just gave it a good yank after I disconnected everything in the box. So now I just need to pull that out from underground. The exercise equipment, I listed that, tested it, listed it on Craigslist. Over in here, again, the treadmill, tested it, and it's on Craigslist. Same with this vanity. Hopefully someone will buy these. Excuse me. Over here, there was a fluorescent light. I found out it was wired incorrectly. I wired it so it was correct, and it worked the first time, but then it didn't work after that. So I determined the fixture was bad, and I put a temporary light in here. But it now works. I replaced this light switch because the plastic was cracked and it was sharp edges on it. I've been working towards cleaning off these shelves because I want to get rid of them. And again, donated a bunch of stuff, threw a bunch of stuff out. I'm still trying to sort through and decide what to do with some of this stuff. This turned out to be, I kept it originally, but it turns out to be trash because it doesn't have any pressure. These, I kept a couple of them, they all looked good, and then I realized these are bent to hell. So, yeah, these are trash. And yeah, still cleaning and sorting. There used to be a whole pile of wood over here and a pegboard. I pulled the pegboard down, cleaned up the pile of wood, threw a bunch of it out. What I thought was worth keeping, I put out in the shed for the time being. But yeah, just trying to get rid of stuff, get it out of my way. The goal is to kind of empty out this basement and start tearing out some of these walls to find out how bad the mold issue is. So that's about it. And I will find more stuff to do. Oh, I wanted to show you something real quick. This lock, then the key that I had found, it doesn't fit. Yeah, it doesn't even go in the lock. So still a mystery key. Probably trash at this point. Haven't found anything even remotely close to what that might fit in. Thought that roll top desk upstairs might have a lock, but it doesn't have a lock. So probably like a file cabinet key, but never found a purpose for it. But we'll keep on the lookout for a little longer. So I think that's about it, and thanks for watching.